So here is our 2013 Vauxhall Insignia SRI. We've got a few really nice features on this car. I'll show you around those in a second. First, the engine. It's a 2-litre CDTI EcoFlex unit, giving you 160 brake horsepower and 140 grams per kilometre of CO2. As you can see, we've got the front fog lights on the car, which do really finish off the styling, and also make visibility quite a lot better in tricky conditions. We've got the really nice 5 split spoke 18-inch alloy wheels and the chrome trim down the sides of the windows. It really does finish off the styling of the car very nicely. You do get this great big boot on the Insignia. If you do need a little bit more space, the back seats do fold down flat, and you can see there the top tethers, for Isofix child seats. All 4 windows are electrically operated, and you can lock off control from the rear switches with that button there. So if you've got kids in the back, you don't want them messing about with the windows, turn the switches off. You can still open and close the rear windows with the switch on the driver's door. You've got switches on the driver's and passengers' doors to operate the central locking, and of course electrically adjustable door mirrors. We've got automatic headlights, so no need to worry about what time to switch them on of an evening. You can also dim or brighten the dial lights and adjust the beam of the headlights as well. We've got a multifunction steering wheel. On this side you've got audio control, so you can change the volume of the radio, change track on the CD player, or change radio station. And then the little 4-way dial there is for the onboard computer, so you can scroll through all sorts of options on there. Your audio settings, your phone settings, your next instruction for the navigation, and general settings to do with the car. You've also got cruise control with the speed limiter function. I'll show you how that works. So press lim and then use these dials here to adjust it. I'll set it to 50 miles an hour, say. So if you're on the motorway, you're going through those average speed cameras, but it's not quite, it's maybe a little bit too busy for cruise control. Set your speed limiter to 50. You know for sure then that your average is going to be under 50 mile an hour. You will only go over that speed if you use full throttle or you go down a hill or something. You won't actually brake, but it won't let the car accelerate over 50. And cruise control is just fantastic if you're doing a lot of motorway driving, or you're on dual carriageways a lot. It's a really nice thing to have on a car. We've got the touchscreen satellite navigation unit, so I'll show you now. You can obviously still control the radio and everything through the dash here. But I'll show you the navigation to destination. Then you can either type your destination in there, or you can use the mouse tracker pad down here to put your destination in, or if you press this button you can also trace your destination.
4 7 U I
like
J.
So. Really clever system. We've also got automatic climate control, so you set the temperature using this dial here and your fan speed, or what you can do is put it into auto. Then the car will take over control of the fan speed and the temperature of the air and everything. You can still manually override it. Basically when you press auto, the car will do its best to achieve that temperature there. Got the automatic gearbox. You can also override the gear changes yourself. The interior is in really good condition. The previous owners of this vehicle have really looked after it. We do make our price match promise here at Pentagon to beat or match any quoted price on an equivalent vehicle. We will give you 5 days free drive away insurance with the car. We've performed a full 120-point network Q safety check on it for you, and we will give you a minimum of 12 months warranty as well.